have a beautiful iris that's showing off here at OSU's campus that I want to introduce you to. This is Iris pallida, cultivar variegata, and you can see how it's got its name. Obviously it has this lovely variegated foliage that has more of a yellow and green variegation to it. The plant itself will get to be about 2 to 3 feet tall, and it's topped with these lovely soft purple flowers in the springtime. Now this iris has a yellow beard and is a parent to the tall bearded iris hybrids. The nice thing about this particular one being variegated is when it's done blooming, you still have the foliage to add interest to your garden. But it's also known as a sweet iris, and you can tell that by the sweet smell that it has. It almost, some people say, smells like Kool-Aid a little bit. This iris prefers moist, humus, well-drained soil. It can handle some shade, but performs best in full sun. Try this iris in your garden next spring.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.